Hello everybody and welcome back to another action figure review. Today we'll take a look at the TBLeague Phicen Vampirella figure. And this figure is, as it says here, the José Gonzales 50th anniversary version of a character that has been around for 50 years now in comics. And on the read up here on the back of the box, a part of the history is written. But let's open up and see what's inside. First of all, here an introduction to the Phicen bodies, useful. And if we remove the protection here, the first layer shows the body of Vampirella as well as a few accessories, the hands and the head sculpt. The second layer here, we have a dagger, a couple of bracelets and a very nice cape. And delivered outside the box here we have the base, a graveyard type base with tombstones and skulls here. A typical cool looking base, no stand or anything, but it's a display base and it looks really good. And if we line all the accessories up here, we also have a bat. The hands with claws. We have a skull here that you can display with one of the hands. And then, of course, the figure itself. And I have already started to put some of the things on the figure. And here we have the figure completed compared to other TBLeague Phicen figures. This one was not that hard. You have to put the bracelets here on the figure and you can use these to cover the joints, which is a nice touch. And then, well, that was pretty much it. So the assembly was quite easy, no struggles, and the figure looks great. And here, as I mentioned, you can put one of the hands into these holes in the skull and then Vampirella can reach out and hold the skull in her hand. As with most Phicen figures, we have rooted hair and it looks decent out of the box. We have earrings, we have the characteristic red dress and the long black boots. So that's all for the dress. And well, it looks like Vampirella is supposed to look. And we have the head sculpt here looking to the right, which is actually pretty cool. I would have loved to have an eyeball mechanism to move the eyes around. That is one of my wishes for the upcoming Phicen figures. Here we have a size comparison next to Hot Toys Predator and Spider Punk, also from Hot Toys. And Vampirella is actually quite tall, making her a little bit taller than Spider Punk. And here we have the cape put on the figure. And it's a very nice looking and also nice feeling cape. Black on the outside, red on the inside. It's easy to put on the figure and I guess you can turn it around also, making it a red cape. And it's nice to have that possibility to put the cape on or remove it on the figure because it gives you different display opportunities. For now, I'm going to leave you with my opinion about the Vampirella figure and then I'll sum up this review. I was looking for a good representation of the Vampirella character and I think I got just that here with the 50th anniversary version. The head sculpt looks to the right, which means that it doesn't really look anywhere else, but it's not a weak spot really. I think I'll be able to get some cool poses out of it anyway. The dress is nice, it's not overloaded with accessories, but the ones we get, the cape, the bat, and the skull and the dagger is actually quite good. I haven't spent much time talking about the articulation, and that's because if you are familiar with the Phicen bodies here, they are quite solid and they can do almost everything you want and still look natural. Double jointed knees and elbows and stuff like that. If you're looking for a great 1/6 scale Vampirella figure, I highly recommend to check out this one. Thanks for watching, leave a comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more.